Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has taken a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his recent statement during a television interview, where he claimed that the world was unaware of Mahatma Gandhi till before the Richard Attenborough movie in 1982. Responding to this, Rahul Gandhi said that only a student of entire political science would need to watch the film to know about Mahatma Gandhi. This is a jibe at the Prime Minister's art degree certificate, which shows that he completed his master's in quote-unquote entire political science. In the interview, Prime Minister Modi stated that while figures like Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King were globally renowned, the Indian government could have done more to promote Mahatma Gandhi's legacy. To this, Rahul Gandhi has responded and stated that Mahatma Gandhi is the sun that gave strength to the whole world to fight against darkness. Let's quickly listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had to say.
शाखाओं में जिनकी वर्ल्ड व्यू बनती है वो गांधी जी को नहीं समझ सकते, वो गोडसे को समझते हैं, गोडसे के रास्ते को अपनाते हैं। गांधी जी पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन थे। मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर, नेल्सन मंडेला, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, ये सब लोग गांधी से इंस्पायर हुए। हिंदुस्तान में करोड़ों लोग गांधी का रास्ता अपनाते हैं, अहिंसा और सत्य के रास्ते पे चलते हैं। लड़ाई सत्य और असत्य के बीच में है, हिंसा और अहिंसा के बीच में है। हिंसा के लोग, असत्य के लोग ना अहिंसा को समझ सकते हैं, ना सत्य को समझते हैं।
Okay, my colleague Brian Thomas with us on the broadcast. Brian, Rahul Gandhi has released a video of himself responding to certain comments that were made by Prime Minister Modi. If you can take our viewers through the details.
Well, Devika, definitely, the Congress launched a series of attacks on the Prime Minister for his very remarks suggesting that the world only became aware of Mahatma Gandhi after the release of the film Gandhi. And now, yes, the Congress took no time to criticize the Prime Minister, asserting that those ideological connected to the Gandhi's assassins could never truly understand or follow the path of truth and non-violence that is championed by Mahatma Gandhi. And even Rahul Gandhi's rebuttal also, he took a sharp jab at the Prime Minister, sarcastically remarking that only a student of entire political science would need to rewatch the film to know about Mahatma Gandhi. Even in a post on X also, Rahul Gandhi highlighted that Gandhi's global influence, stating that Mahatma Gandhi is the sun that gave strength to the whole world to fight against the darkness and in the form of truth and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi did show the world a path that gives courage to even the weakest person to stand up against injustice, and even to the fact also, post that also even Mallikarjun Kharge also attacked the Prime Minister, stating that it is time for the lie to pick up its bag and go. Even he emphasized the ideological connections between those involved in Gandhi's assassination and the current ruling party, suggesting that they could never adhere to Mahatma Gandhi's principle of truth. Even Jairam Ramesh also criticized the Prime Minister, and stating that he criticized his claim that Gandhi was not internationally recognized before the 1982 film, and he also says that he rather criticizes the Prime Minister that he doesn't know where the Prime Minister lives, where Mahatma Gandhi was not recognized across the world before 1982. And even Congress leader, rather most of the senior leaders, be it K.C. Venugopal, also criticized the Prime Minister,
right?
Saying that, yes, Devika.
Absolutely, Brian. Thank you so much for joining us. Anila Singh of the BJP also with us. Anila Singh, how does the BJP now respond to what Rahul Gandhi said? He said that it is only people who have studied entire political science. He's taken a jibe at the Prime Minister, saying that only such people would have to watch movies to learn about Mahatma Gandhi.
My Ram Ram to all, and it is a waste of time to react what Rahul Gandhi has said. A person who doesn't have even this much of understanding that he is talking about Narendra Modi ji, a person who comes from Gujarat, Mahatma Gandhiji's home state. They both share same home state. A person who has lived the ideology of Mahatma Gandhiji. He is pinpointing that person. And if the opposition cannot understand what Narendra Modi ji said, then it is their own problem. He simply said that worldwide fame of Mahatma Gandhiji was boosted by cinematic portrayals, underscoring Indian leaders, definitely, because they failed to portray his name. Especially if I talk about the Congress party in the world, the way it should have been. So if we talk about a Hollywood movie which was made on Mahatma Gandhi and it was shown worldwide, and definitely worldwide Gandhiji's name became popular. This is what he said. He didn't say that people didn't know about Mahatma Gandhi who know about India, or the people living in India, they don't know about Mahatma Gandhi. He did not say that. So they are simply trying a futile effort to create a mountain out of mole, which they are getting laughed by other people and the other nations as well.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.